In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reminders in Notion. Reminders in Notion are a simple way to make sure your tasks, deadlines, and important moments don't slip through the cracks. They live right inside your notes or task pages. And when the time comes, Notion sends you a notification so you can take action without juggling extra apps. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you want the reminder to live. This can be a tasks database, a project page, or even a simple note. Pick the spot that makes the most sense for the context you'll need later. Keeping the reminder near the relevant details helps you stay organized. Inside the page, type @remind followed by a date and time. Notion understands natural language, so you can write things like @remind tomorrow at 9 a.m., @remind next Monday, 3 p.m., or @remind July 15th at 10:30. Keep it clear and specific to avoid confusion, especially with AM and PM. Notion uses your workspace or device time zone, so the reminder will align with your local time unless you change your settings. As you type, a drop-down will appear with suggested reminder options. Click the one that matches what you typed. You'll know it's the right one because it shows the date and time you entered and is labeled as a reminder. Selecting from the drop-down confirms that Notion has parsed your text correctly and will schedule the notification. Take a moment to review the reminder details in the page. Make sure the date and time are exactly what you want. If you notice a mismatch, like 9 o'clock instead of 19 o'clock, this is the perfect time to fix it. Accuracy here saves you from missed alerts later. When everything looks good, click outside the block to save your reminder automatically. Notion saves changes in real time, and clicking away simply confirms that you're done editing. Now, wait for Notion to send the notification at the scheduled time. You'll see it in your Notion notifications. And if you've enabled alerts on desktop or mobile, you'll get those too. If you rely on notifications, it's a good idea to keep them turned on in both Notion settings and your device settings. If plans change, you can edit or remove the reminder anytime. Just click the reminder text to open it again, adjust the date and time, or delete it if it's no longer needed. Updating the reminder will reschedule the notification, keeping you on track without clutter. That's all you need to add reminders in Notion. Quick, precise, and built right into your workflow.